Hi, I finally got a 3D printer yesterday as a late birthday present. It's a Prusa i3 style I bought assembled and already set up. I wanted to build one myself, but I couldn't bear the wait for the shipping of the parts from China. I'm going to show you my first project. It's not my first print. I printed a couple things yesterday. I printed this resistor lead bender that I got from Thingiverse. And the house is a design I made a long time ago for testing on shapeways. They turned out fairly well. There's probably some fine tuning I could be doing, but I'm happy so far. This is the toilet seat hinge. And this is a broken one. I couldn't find a compatible replacement, and I couldn't find a seat that went well with our 90s style mauve toilet. So until we renovate, I need a new hinge. So I measured the original part and took down the dimensions that I thought were important for it to work. A caliper and ruler. And then I took it over to Blender to model. I didn't try to make it exactly the same. In fact, I made some of it different. I tried to make the back part a little bit more sturdy and added some extra webbing for strength. Then I exported it as an STL file and imported it into the 3D printer software. I'm using Repetier. I placed the part towards the back of the bed because I haven't cleaned the other parts off from the first two prints. Here it is after slicing. You can see all the layers that are going to be printed. And I press print. First the bed and the extruder have to heat up, which I'll skip. The LCD shows the temperatures. It takes a couple minutes. And then it starts. I sped it up by 32 times because it takes 35 minutes to do the whole thing. The software shows the progress of the print. And here it's just finishing up. And it's done. I think it turned out pretty well. It looks dimensionally similar enough, and I think I probably could adjust some of the parameters to get a bit smoother. It's dimensionally accurate where it matters. Bolt fits in, just snug. And there we have one repaired toilet. I should probably do the other one too.